Well, here's day 19. I'm really gonna have to pick it up if I want to be done by day 30. Today's Sunday. I didn't work yesterday and I'm only working half a day today. I'm gonna do this roof on the side here. It's gonna have these little trusses. It's gonna go over this 6-inch cantilever part. The top of it will be about right here. But the first thing I have to do is put the dense glass on this rim board to make it flush with the dense glass down there. So I got my dense glass all on here. These are the trusses that are gonna go here. You see I got two bigger ones. The rest of them are small. The big ones are gonna go on the outside. So the little one will go on this part and the little ones will go all across here. And then the big one will go back here. So they have a notch in them for a 2x4 like that. So you can put a 2x4 ledger on the bottom and then a 2x4 ledger on top. So I'm gonna build this whole thing up here as one piece. I'm gonna build it and then drop it over, nail it up, and then I'll put the sheet on it. So that's why the one is longer, because they're gonna sit like that. This one sits back here, this one sits out here. These ones will also need dense glass on them because they're gonna be the sides. So dense glass on this one, and then dense glass on this one. So this 2x4 is gonna be my ledger for the bottom. I cut it to the length of that cantilever, which was 12'4" 3/4. And then I just hooked on, measured it 2 feet X ahead for the layout. There's 7 trusses on there. So I'm gonna nail the bottom cord of all the little trusses to this bottom ledger. I'm gonna use the gun, hopefully it works better today. I put the 9 amp hour battery on there. Maybe that'll help. That's the biggest battery I have. Seems like it's working better like that. Now for the top 2x4, this part needs to hang over 1 foot from the corner, and then the fascia is going to hang over 6 inches from there. So it's 1'6" past the corner of that cantilever. So I'm going to run the top 2x4 all the way till it hits here. I could have actually ran that bottom one till it hit here too, but I'm gonna have a ledger on here anyway, so it's gonna go here and then run that way on this side and then the other side. Here's this ledger all cut and marked out. I'll nail it on the top. Now this is gonna have a 2x8 fascia on it. So I'll lay that out the same way I did the ledgers, except it's gotta hang over 6.5 inches from here. So I'll lay out this fascia. It's gonna be 6.5 inches to the start of this one. It's 6.5 because I'm putting 1/2 inch dense glass on here and it needs to hang over 6 inches past that. So I go 6.5 to there, and then from here to here it's a foot from here. Actually it's 11.5 from here to the start of this one. So that'll make it 12 inches once the dense glass is here from the side of the cantilever. So I'll go from there 11.5 inches, and then from here on it's 2 feet X ahead. So I marked all my 2-footers off of that line, and then for the end, the whole length of this thing should be 3 feet bigger than the cantilever, because it's going to have a 1'6" overhang both sides. So the cantilever is 12'4" 3/4", so it should be 15'4" 3/4" for the whole thing. So that's where I'll cut it off, and then from this line it should be back 6.5 to where this one starts. So from this line 6.5 X ahead, that's where this one's gonna go, and then I'll cut this off here. So I'll cut this off here and then nail this on all the lines. I'm gonna have to put some paper on here before I put the roof on. So now I'll measure down from the top of the floor to the bottom of this needs to be 19.5 inches. So I'll measure down 19.5 inches, snap a line, and then I'll nail a couple 2x4s on that so that I can rest this bottom cord onto that. Okay, so these are the blocks I got set up. I'm gonna try and slide this bottom ledger so it hangs in there, and this should hold the top of it from tipping down until I get it nailed. I'll just double check that it's good and level, and then I'll nail the shit out of it. Okay, that's all nailed up good. Now I can put these pieces in, but I'm gonna have to dense glass the one side first, and then I'll put them in like that. I'm also gonna have to build this down 2 inches because I want it to be at the bottom of the fascia. See how the bottom of the fascia is 2 inches below the bottom of that truss? So I want to build that down and then dense glass it to there. So I'm gonna put this 2-inch piece on here, and then I'm gonna put this dense glass on here. And then with that 2-inch piece on here, I can take a 2x6 ledger and nail it on the wall. So now I'll put this in here on this 2x6 ledger. Should fit right in there like that. Fits so perfect I don't even have to nail it, but I will. Now I'll put a 2x4 ledger in the top that's gonna stick out 4.5 inches past here, like this. And then I'll put my last piece of fascia on down from there up to here. So here's my piece of fascia. It goes from an 8/12 from a long to a short, and then I had to trim the tip of it so it didn't hang down below the fascia. So this will go in here flush on the end, and then up there like that. Okay, now I'll just do the exact same thing on the other side, and I can put the sheets on this roof. Just the same thing over here. So here's all the exact same pieces on this side. I'll just pop those in, and then I can put the sheets on. Okay, this side's done. I'm just gonna put one more little piece in here like that, so I have something to nail the sheet to. I'll do that on the other side too. Get this little block in here. Now the last thing I have to do is look down the fascia and just make sure it's straight for in and out. I'll bump it in or out anywhere it has to go. So now I'll cut my sheet, check what it is for this part. We'll go about 28.5 for 18 inches. Then this part will go 21, and it'll go all the way till it hits half on this truss. So 91, 21, 18, and 28.5. So now I have my sheet marked out. I got the 91 inches from there. That's this line. It goes up 28.5, over 18, up 21 from the bottom for the rest of the sheet. So I'll cut this off, this, and this, and then this. Well, that was a lot easier than doing it off a ladder or a scaffold. Now it's all done. Now this 6-inch build out, I'm gonna have a gable that sits on top of that, a big gable that goes across the side. But I think I'm gonna build those back 2 walls first, and then I'll build this gable roof before I build the rest of this wall. So I'll start by building this outside wall first. Okay, I'll stay on this one now, and then I'll do this last corner one. I'll build the one that goes here. It's only going to come to about here, and then I'll build that as one wall to the end. And I'll lift this one up and slide it in. I have the bottom tacked on the inside here, so I'll stand it, pull those nails out, and it should slide over. I don't know if you can see it, but there's that back corner all done. So tomorrow I'll either start these lower roofs down here, there's a roof that goes all the way around here, or else I'll start building these walls and I'll just do the roof off a scaffold. I'm gonna have to do this roof off a scaffold anyways because it's big, so I might just do it after to get these walls up. I don't know, I'll decide tomorrow. But for now, it's time for a beer.